Okay, now we will do the practical on the Colspan and the Rowspan. Okay, so we have to write, let's say I will write from the table only. Okay, you have to write from the at the beginning. Okay, border equal to 1, and then let's say width is equal to, let's say this time 50%, and height is equal to 50%. Okay, so we have to start from the first row. This is first row, so we have to write tr. Okay, tr. Then we have to write, so within the first row we have two cells, first cell and second cell. So td, first cell, and the background color of the first cell is, okay, yellow. bg col color equal to yellow, we have to write yellow. Okay, then we have to write the text. The text is r1. We have to close the td since we have finished with the first row. Now we have to move to the second row, this one. So look at here, and this single cell occupy two row space, first row, second row. So we have to use td, then we have to write rows span equal to how many rows it occupy? 2, so 2. And then background color is bg color equal to green. Okay, then the text is Rowspan, so you have to write ROWW, so SPAN span. Then we have to close the TD. Now we have finished with the first row, so you have to close the TR. Then we have to move to the second row, so you have to open the TR, and then we have to create the first cell of the second row, that is by TD. And then background color of the first cell of the second row is orange. Okay, BG color equal to orange. Yeah, okay, orange, and the text is R2. Then we have to close the TD. Okay, now we have finished with the first cell, so there is no second cell inside the second row, so you have to close the TR. Then we have to close the table. Oh, what happened? Table. Okay, now we have finished, so we have to save the file. Click on the file, then click on the save. If you are saving for the first time, you can click on the save or save as. There is no difference. So save as is used when you want to change the location or you want to change the name of the file. Okay, so right now I will saving this file inside the HTML folder, and inside the HTML folder there is another folder called day 13 1010. Okay, so and the file name is rowspan.htm, and then click on the save. Oh, it's already there. Okay, now okay, I will write Rowspan Colspan. Okay, I will make both. Okay, so I have written the name as row_colspan.htm. Click on save. Now we have to go to the desktop, and this is our desktop. So on the desktop there is one folder called HTML. Inside the HTML there is one folder with name D13, and this is our web page. Okay, now let's see. Okay, and this is our result. Okay, I think it's same, only the difference, look at here, height, I forgot to write the percentage. Okay, then click on save, click on the web page again, click on the refresh. Now let's see. Okay, that's look nice. Okay, now we will create the call span. Okay, this is our table having the call span detail. Okay, I will write from the beginning. Okay, tabl table, then you have to write border equal to, let's say, 1, and width is equal to, let's say, 40%, and height is equal to, let's say, 40%, and then angle bracket close. Now you have to create the first row. This is your first row by mentioning tr table row. Then we have to create the first cell of the first row using dd. Now look at here, this single cell occupy 2 column cell, column this way, column, first column, second column. So you have to write call span equal to how many column it occupy? 2. So you have to write 2, and the bg color of the first row is yellow. Okay, yellow. Then you have to close the angle bracket. Then you have to write the content within the first cell, that is call span. The text is call span, so you have to write colspan. Then you have to close the first row. Okay, so first cell. Now we are finished with the first row, so you have to close the first row close. Then move to the second row. In the second row there is a 2 cell, okay, sorry, 2 cells, so you have to write dd, and then bg color equal to orange, then angle bracket close, and the text is C1. So we have to close the first cell of the second row. Then we have to create the second cell. The background color is bg color equal to green, and the angle bracket closed, and the text is C2. We have to close the dd over here, and also we have finished with the second row also. Now we have to close the tr here. Then we have to close the table tag. Now we have to click the file, we have to save the file again, so you have to click on the save button. Then go back to our web page. This is our web page, so we have made changes. So to see the result, to see the changes that we have made, so you have to click on the refresh button. This is refresh button, so click on this one, and so when you click on this button, it will reload the web page again. So we will click over here. Now look at here, this is our Rowspan example, and this is our Colspan example. Okay, this way we are finished with the Rowspan and the Colspan. Thank you.